let's go ahead and now take a look at the modules of how you're going to navigate yourself in the course. And so when you click on modules here, it'll take you to so that our course setup, and you'll see our course setup is you'll start with the course information, so you can always go back there if you're like, I know he said something, I know I'm looking for something, you can go back to the course information. So I have some basic stuff now, of course. Course syllabus, the textbook information, my contact. Again, then information about how you can navigate Canvas and different things that will come up. But again, that'll be a place that we go. Next would be Unit 0. That's kind of our first stuff. So there will be some initial assignments here that I'll talk about. But you can get started on that as soon as this course is open. You'll have the Get to Know You post. You're going to want to get started on that. And then introduction to My Open Math about how to use our online system. And then this one's due on Friday, Statistics in Our World. But this is Unit 0, which is kind of our Get to Know You space. After that, we get started in the class, which is then you see Unit 1. And everything's organized. You have an introduction. If there's Canvas assignments, you'll see that there. And then you'll see your homework here where it says practice. That's where you'll get your practice from. And you'll see that layout. And then we start the next section. And then the next section. So you'll see it's kind of laid out for us. What we're going to be using in class are what we call note sheets. So I'm making the copies for Unit 1 for you. So you'll have those the first day of class. But those are the note sheets we use in class, kind of like lecture notes. And so you'll see what the format looks like here. You'll see it's notes. I call them guided note sheets, but you'll see we'll have this here. So I'll have that for Unit 1. I'll have those copies for you all ready to go. And this is kind of our lecture. And so you'll end up filling these out, and then you use those along with the textbook, along with any of the resources we give you to finish your work, answer problems, study for quizzes. And so we have this already outlined for you. And so those are what be the guided note sheets. So we'll have that for you. And so that's our setup of our Canvas course. Of course, there will be other, you can see your announcements and discussions and things like that. So again, go ahead and start clicking around, but you're going to want to get started on these initial assignments here, since they don't require any lecture or textbook, so you can go ahead and do that.